How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open the app, then on the top left you'll find your profile icon. You click on that, you scroll down, my friends option. I'll give an example. Say for example this profile, this friend of mine, I'll remove him from my friendship, remove friend, and if I want to find him specifically, I have to go back. I have to click on the search option and search for the username. This is the username option and I have to click on add. So this is how you find the Snapchat deleted friends. This is the only way where you can recover the data. There's no other way. And if that person you don't remember his ID or her ID, you can text them, you can ask them for their Snapchat ID, you can tell them ki you accidentally deleted your or removed them from your Snapchat. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.